Yes guys, it's Henny here again and welcome to another video. Well, in this video, we've got ourselves another improvement package. I know you must be wondering, it's like, bloody heck, why the hell is a TV stand an improvement package? Well, we're about to improve our pockets. The reason why I'm unboxing this is because, so I've got a two-bedroom, yeah, and I spoke to the lady and all that, and we're like, okay, we need to put the other room on like Airbnb. So the first step, of course, the room is already there. You've got a bed, you've got a mattress on it and everything. So I have an extra TV. I was like, yeah, it's a bonus to have a television. You know, I try to, make things to like a high standards. So I reckon, what's a better way than to go and get a TV mount, because I don't like too much tackiness and too much things around. So there was a problem I had, which was when I tried to get a TV mount. So like I went to Best Buy. I think the cheapest I could find was like $60. I went to Walmart, the same thing. You know, I tried to go to other stores and it was like $60. So I went on Amazon, and this is the best selling TV mount on Amazon, period. It's got over 32,000 reviews at a 4.8 star. I think 4.8 star. So this is an unboxing of this and how to set it up. Apparently it is easy from the way I'm saying it. As you can see right here, it's got that one, it's like a straight line. So you don't have to, it's not the other ones where you have to like go here and here and there and then all that. So this is quite easy. All you need to do is find the stud and put all that in. Without any further ado, let's just get started unboxing this baby. And it's $25, which is way cheaper than what Walmart and Best Buy was offering. So with Amazon Prime, I got it the next day. So it was kind of worth it because it's 25 bloody dollars. Ugh, okay, take this out. That's not good. So you can see you have got, oh, okay. You got all of this, which is really good. Got the paperwork. This is the stud finder. They give you a free HDMI cable, the main bad guy, right here. Which is, oh wow, this is really nice. This is the whole stuff right here. This goes on your telly, so you have to take this off, put this on your telly, and this goes into the wall. And when it goes into the wall, you just snap this and your telly back into this, and you should be good to go.